Alright guys, so for our beef bourguignon that we're going to make today, my style, at home with what we've got to do is pretty much just cut some nice chunk size pieces. Now as you can see, there's a little bit of fat. Some of the sinew stuff you can get rid of that, that's not an issue. But all you want to do is pretty much nice chunks. And then once we've done this, we will seal this on the griller. And we'll take it from there. So I'm not going to bore you with this, I'll just put some time lapse on and I'll continue with that meat. Alright guys, so now at this stage what we're going to do is brown our meat on the grill. So just a little bit of oil. Let's start searing our meat. I know everyone hasn't got one of these at home, but fry pan will do, as long as it's nice and hot. So we'll get that going. Alright guys, so we've finished searing off our beef. So pretty much now, let's just pop this back into our stainless steel bowl. Amazing how quick it is with time lapse. But I didn't want to bore you with having to watch meat getting browned or seared. And what that will do, that will just seal in all the juices, but also that bit of caramelisation of the meat will just add to the colour and the flavour of this meal. Alright, so we've done our meat, so all we've got to do now is we just want some nice chunks of carrot, it's a beautiful but quite simple dish, not rocket science. I paid $13 a kilo for some chuck steak, and I like using that because as a slow cooked meat, it's got a little bit of fattiness in it and it's just beautiful. Flavour is fantastic. Same as with the onions, just cut them in half and just some nice pieces. 1, 2, 3, just chunks, just so it's really rustic. So yeah, so it worked out, probably works out to be, I'm cooking for 5-6 people here. 5 people, it's going to cost about $5 per serving maximum, and if it's 6 people, well, do your sums, it's $4. So yeah, pretty inexpensive. And what we'll do towards the end, before we're ready to service, we will throw in some mushrooms to turn it into a real traditional beef bourguignon, or in English, a beef burgundy. Okay, so let's brown these off a little bit. Alright, so now back at the grill. Now as you can see, the grill's still got all the remnants of the beef, but we want that because that's what's also going to help with our vegetables. So just a little bit of olive oil. Onions and carrots. Same thing again, guys, we don't want to cook them. We just want to be searing these vegetables. So we've got all that up there. That's getting done. I use a little sprayer. Okay, now at this stage we haven't put the garlic in yet because we don't want the garlic to burn. Okay, so let's just give them a couple of minutes. Alright, I've been tossing them on the grill for a few minutes. They're starting to caramelise themselves. So the next thing is we will get this garlic in. Again, like I said before, guys, the garlic is not a long process. It's been cut fine and we don't want to burn the garlic. So it's just a matter of exposing the flavours of the garlic into this. And off with the grill. Okay, so at this stage we're just going to put our vegetables with our meat. Let's get all this goodness in here. Okay, we're done. Okay guys, so now we've done that, we've got our vegetables and our beef. We just put them in a hot pot. Okay, so now for the piece of resistance, I've got some red wine. So we're going to put probably 2 cups of red wine. Oh, that smells fantastic. Let me just pop this away. For everyone's wondering what that noise is, the bottle has got it's a fancy bottle from my dad from back in the late 40s. Okay, so at this stage now, all I'm going to do is cover that up with some chicken stock. So, in with some chicken stock. Fantastic. So now what we're going to do with this, we'll bring that to a boil, put the lid on, we'll put the lid on it, we'll reduce it down to a low temperature. Alright guys, well that's just about ready now. It's been cooking for just over 2 and a bit hours. What I've had to do, I just had to mix up a little bit of cornstarch just to thicken it up to my liking. And I know a lot of people are going to say, oh, you didn't put it in the oven in a casserole dish. Well, this to me is an easier and better way anyway, and simpler. So anyway, it's time to dish this little baby up. Alright guys, so there you go. There is our beef bourguignon, or in English, beef burgundy, all ready to go, garnished on the plate. I haven't had, you can serve this with rice, you can serve this with couscous, mashed potatoes, whatever you like. I've just put it in a serving bowl just to show you what it's like for the video. But bon appetit everyone. If you like what you've seen, please like, share and subscribe to this channel.